Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not seen any of my videos before, my name is Katie and I'm the owner of the Tipsy Tumbler Co. So this is the long-awaited two-tone lava drip tumbler tutorial using vegetable glycerin and mineral oil. I have a fresh cup. Let's put that on the ground right there. I just heard something explode outside. My power's still on, so that's a good sign. It's really stormy here in the Seattle area. Okay. So, here are all the supplies that you need for this tutorial, or for this project. Go ahead and screenshot what you need. Okay. And let's get started. Okay, so obviously first you need this, which I just unwrapped. These are the little plugs that come with it, but I don't use them. I use these instead. Screenshot. These are just adhesive dots that go over the hole. They come in a sheet like this. I don't know, can you see them? Yeah, you can see them this time. And you put it over that hole right there to plug it, and then so you don't see it. I don't like those things because you can see it on the bottom after you've cured the resin. Okay. So, oh, here's the two things. Oh my god, the glycerin's heavy and new. Screenshot. That I'll be using. This brand is my favorite. I've tried other brands and I keep going back to that. Highly recommend. Okay, so to color the mineral oil, you're going to use oil-based food coloring, and to color the vegetable glycerin, you're going to use gel food coloring. So this is the first time I'm trying a two-tone using those two solutions and these two food colorings. So we're going to see how it goes. Okay, so first I will pour in, hopefully I don't mix these up. This is the glycerin. I'll just use this. So this one has the line to like 100 on there. I don't know if you can see it. So I'm just gonna do that just because it's easy to measure to. Okay. That's a heavy container because it's still full. So since I have that out and I can see what it is, this is oil. So gel food coloring. So I'm gonna go with, we're gonna do red and white just because it's like a candy cane that time of year. So, right, glycerin, mineral oil sinks to the bottom, glycerin floats. Yes, so I want white. So this is 5 drops. You can barely see this. Let me lower you guys down a little. That is not down. Oh, that's a big roll of, let's move this out of the way. Ah, too much stuff on my desk, you guys. All right, so white. I'm spilling already. You guys know me. You know I spill well. That would have been bad. I don't know if it's going to be like clear or not. You guys can't even tell. I can barely tell. I'll just go with it. 5 drops into the vegetable glycerin with gel-based food coloring. This lid is not on here all the way. Actually, I'll leave it out just in case. And then for the mineral oil, we're gonna do red. I'm also gonna fill this to the 100 mark. It's much thinner. Clean this off. Okay. We'll do 5 drops of oil-based food coloring. Mineral oil, oil-based food coloring. Red. That is not red enough. I'm going to add some more. I'm going to get paper towel. So that was 5 drops. We're going to go with 10, so 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That doesn't make it seem that much darker, but all right, whatever. It's a practice run. We're just gonna go with it, guys. All right, so here's the white. This is the lava. This is not. So I think I'll do this first. So I'm gonna go with the lava first. No, you guys, I can't decide. I'll do mineral oil first. Oh my God, it's all over me already. Okay. So normal measurements for the lava part is 2.5 ounces. But we're not going to measure today. I'm just coating the inside of this. Make sure I don't pour it out of the hole. So I did not pour all of that in there. Now I'm gonna do the lava. It's very thick, just be warned. It's making a funny noise. You can kind of see it. It doesn't really matter which one you do first, because they don't mix. Normally, like in previous tutorials, I do the lava part first and then I do the mineral oil, but I wanted to see the color change in this, so that's why I did the mineral oil first and then the lava. I know you can't really tell, but it is going in there. I'm curious if this will mix. I haven't had good luck with two tones, like not mixing. So I just need to find the right things to use to color the liquids. Okay, hold on. Here's kind of a close-up so far. Maybe I'll try doing it this way. That's pretty good. It's kind of, maybe it's too much lava, but it's all right, everything's fine. Okay. All right, now I'll fill the rest with this mineral oil. Leave a dime-sized bubble. Perfect. Now, because I spilled a little on the top, I'm going to clean this really well with rubbing alcohol so it seals good. So this is the one I use. Dry it off. Oh my gosh. Okay. What am I looking for? Oh, the dots. See? Now you want to keep the bubble, nope, under the hole. So when you press this dot on, the oil doesn't squeeze out. Trust me. Excellent. I love it when it does it perfectly the first time. All right, so let me plug in my UV light. And this is by Let's Resin. I do have a link for this in my description as well as everything else I'm using. And when you buy this, it comes with 2 of these. These are this is the UV resin. I'm just going to cover the dot first. Use my lighter to get all the bubbles out. Come on, I see you. Okay, my kid's being on one press. Okay. So I'm gonna raise you guys up just a little. I don't know my directions. Whoa. Nope, didn't mean to do that. All right. So this second round, now I'm gonna cover the whole bottom. It looks like a lot, but I promise it's not. Okay. Get all the bubbles out. And I'll press this now for 3 presses, but I will skip past it so you don't have to watch it all. All right, you guys, it's so windy outside. I'm waiting for the power to go out. All right, nice and hard. And I have an idea. I don't know if you can see this. Actually, you can see this pretty good. Last time it was not, like you couldn't see the lava. So this is my cup care instructions that I stick on the bottom. But I'm just going to skip that right now because I want to see what it looks like and I don't want the power to go out. So, okay. Actually, I'm going to film this. Film. I'm old. Record on my phone too. Move this stuff out of the way. Box. Oh God. Okay, I have two hands, why don't we just use them? Okay. Let's put this down a little. Okay. I don't want this thing in the background though. Or these. Am I good? I think I'm good. Okay. Here we go. Ooh, guys, this is cool. It looks orange on my... That is not orange. You guys, that's awesome. I'm gonna flip it again. I like the flow. That's so cool. Okay. It does look like it's the colors blending into the white, but I feel like that would happen with white in general. Because it doesn't look, I mean, maybe it's still whitish. Maybe it's just the angle I'm holding. This is cool. And I know that this tutorial was a little bit chaotic. I'm sorry for that compared to like my other tutorials. I'm a little bit rushed because I have to go pick my daughter from cheer practice any minute. Waiting for my alarm to go off. So please ask questions in the comments. I will answer them all. I always do. But yeah, so this is actually two-tone, turned out really cool. I recommend using these solutions. Everything's in the, all the links for everything that I use is in my description, and yeah. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.